Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel, mga balita sa buwan ng Oktubre.
I'd just like to ask again, ano po yung napag-usapan ni na House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano at ni President Duterte last night? May mga specific bilin po ba si House Speaker Cayetano? And dagdag ko na rin sa same topic, is the President pleased with what happened in the House plenary yesterday?
Well, ulitin ko po ang paninindigan ng ating Presidente, yung pagpili po ng liderato ng Kamara ay isang internal matter para sa Kamara de Representante at rinirespeto naman po ng Presidente ang naging desisyon ng Kamara na ibinasura po yung pagre-resign ni Speaker Alan Cayetano. Ang bilin po niya, kinakailangan mapasa talaga ang budget sa lalong mabilis na panahon dahil nakapaloob po sa budget yung ating COVID-19 response. At kung magkakaroon po tayo ng reenacted budget, ay yung budget sa taong ito po, wala pong COVID-19 response dyan dahil wala pa naman pong COVID. So, yun naman po, nagkataon lamang po na ang pangyayari sa Kamara kahapon ay nangyari doon sa scheduled meeting sa panig ni Deputy Speaker Brother Eddie Villanueva at ng Presidente. Pero ang main dahilan po roon ay para i-pray over ang ating Presidente na nangyari naman po.
Si House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano po ba ang nag-seek ng meeting with President Duterte last night?
Hindi po. Ito po ay in-arrange 2 weeks ago pa by Brother Eddie and it really is a pray over.
Hi, good afternoon, Secretary. Sir, amid the speakership round, seeing lawmakers say that they will depend on the President's wisdom to choose their leader, what can Malacanang say about this and the House's independence? And sabay ko na rin, sir, kumusta po si Pangulo, sir? How's his general feeling about this? Is he disappointed? Is he sad about what's happening in the Congress?
Well, alam niyo po, ako talaga nag-iingat pagdating sa mga sinasabi ko dito sa speakership row dahil pareho silang kaibigan at siyempre po, lahat inaasahan ko anong mensahe galing kay Presidente. So ang Presidente po, malinaw naman, no? Hindi ako nagsalita nung nangyayari ang mga pangyayari sa Kamara dahil hindi ko pa nakukontak ang Presidente, pero nang siya'y tumawag po, talagang 3 sentences lang ang sinabi niya, wala po akong dinagdag, wala akong binawas. No? Stay out tayo dyan, no comment tayo dyan, that's a purely internal matter of the House of Representatives. No? So he has left the decision on the House leadership to the individual members of the House of Representatives.
Mm-hmm. Sir, although it is a separate branch of government, if we're going to look at the overall picture of this whole House of Representatives drama, isn't Malacanang bothered that it may reflect badly on the administration? For one, it's happening in the middle of a pandemic where people are suffering, where people are hungry. Hindi po kaya ba magkakaroon ng epekto ito kung paano tignan ng mga tao yung gobyerno? And yun nga po yung nabanggit na rin kanina yung timeliness ng pagpasa ng budget.
Well, Trish, siguro that's something that should be addressed to members of the House of Representatives. But in fairness to all of them, no, they seem to have settled the issue of leadership dahil importante nga na mapasa yung pandemic-19 budget ng ating bayan.
Mm-hmm. Sir, on another topic, experts from the UP Marine Science Institute say yung Manila Rehab Project or the SAMS project is an expensive project that doesn't actually solve Manila-based problems. Given the powers of the President, sir, under the Bayanihan 2, is the government open or already considering realigning yung allocated funds for this project to more urgent and important concerns like COVID response? Is this still possible, sir, or is it too late to do this?
Nasimulan na po yan eh. So kinakailangan tapusin na po yan. No? Ang mga nare-realign ay yung mga hindi pa po nagsisimulang mga proyekto. Yung budget po kasi dyan, hindi lang siya budget actually for the beach nourishment. No? It's actually for the entire program of government in rehabilitating Manila Bay. And as I said, itong project na ito was proposed 2 years ago, included in last year's budget, and only being implemented now.
Okay, we get that, no? Ang sinasabi ni Presidente is that he's not going to intervene anymore. But let's go back to the time that you talked to Speaker Cayetano and Congressman Velasco. Bottom line, sir, and for the record, because we've been hearing, conflicting accounts from both camps. What was the President's wishes?
Ang latest nga po, I quoted him verbatim, and this is when we had telephone conversation yesterday. No? Tinanong ko ano po ang saloobin ninyo dito sa nangyari sa House na nag-resign at rineject po ng mga mambabatas. Sabi niya, stay out tayo, no comment tayo dyan, that's a purely internal matter of the House of Representatives.
Okay, sir. We accept that. So, pero sir, yung question is, kasi may lumalabas na October 14 and then may December, nagtanungan pa sila na gusto nilang maging speaker because it's going to be their birthday. This kinds of talk, parang we need clarity, I think, from Malacanang kung ano ba talaga yung sinabi ni Presidente. Patapusin yung budget and then Speaker Cayetano will resign on October 14 or he keeps it because of the vote yesterday.
I think the President has said that he respects whatever the decision of the lawmakers was yesterday. So if that was the decision, so be it. If there's going to be a new decision in the future, that's up to the House. Pero the President has said that he will not interfere beyond reminding the parties to honor the agreement. No? So hanggang doon na po ang posisyon ng ating Presidente.
Okay, that much we can say, sir, that honor dapat yung gentleman's agreement between the two congressmen, correct?
Well, yan po yung sinabi niya noong 2 weeks ago. Pero kahapon, ang sinabi na nga niya, with everything that has happened in the House, he accepts the decision of the lawmakers to reject the resignation of
Sir-
Speaker Cayetano.
Sir, is Malacanang willing to release the video? Because I understand, may video naman yan, may pinakita kayong konting mga 2-minute about the meeting. Para lang, kung ano mang kampo yung kinabibilangan nila, klaro kung ano yung sinabi ni Presidente ng meeting nila.
Ay, tatanong ko po, no? Pero again, yan po yung nakarating sa akin. No? May mga iba pang nakarating sa akin, pero it did not come from the mouth of the President, so I will not repeat. Gaya na aking sinasabi po, pag hindi nang galing sa bibig ng aking principal po, hindi ko na muna sinasabi dahil maselan po usapin ito.
Sir, yung kagabi, ang sabi niyo po yung meeting or yung pray-over nitong si Brother Eddie had been set up 2 weeks ago. That is, yung po bang plano na yun includes si Speaker Cayetano or was he just there incidentally? And what was the President's statement? May sinabi rin ba si Speaker Cayetano kay Presidente? Nagsumbong ba siya? What happened yesterday? Or nag-report siya?
Well, ang pagkakaintindi ko po, again, this did not come from the President. Wala naman pong volunteer si Speaker Cayetano kasi nailabas ko na po yung saloobin ng ating Presidente. So, ang pagkakaintindi ko po, reiterate lang na ating Presidente, he respects the decision of the individual members of the House of Representatives.